Come test drive the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.